Yes, friends, welcome back to Hermet online classes. In yesterday class, I discussed one more questions and MCQ 8 plus 8, total 16 questions. I have discussed the midterm exam question paper mathematics of Karnataka SSLC board. Okay, and in today class, I'm going to discuss 2 marks questions. So it will help even CBSE students and state syllabus students. Okay, see how to solve 2 mark questions easily. Okay, if you are new to watch my channel, please subscribe and share the video. Yes. Now I'm going to discuss the 2 marks questions. See, that is the question number 17. In yesterday class, I have discussed up to 16 questions. Those are 1 mark questions. Yes, see, now first understand the question. What is a composite number? Which is the composite number among 23 and 24? So, you should know the definition of composite number and prime number. Okay, so what is meant by prime number? Numbers which have only two factors, or the number is divisible by 1 and itself. Those numbers are called prime numbers. Now the question is composite number. The numbers which have more than two factors, those numbers are called composite numbers, or the numbers which have 3 and more than 3 factors. Like that also we have to say the definition of the composite number. And see, the next question is, which is the composite number among 23 and 24? See, 23 is prime number, therefore 24 is composite number. Okay, and here the answer is 24, that is the composite number. Yes. See, next the question is, prove that 2 plus root 5 is an irrational number. So this is direct question from your textbook exercise. Okay, 2 plus root 5 is an irrational number. So by considering 2 plus root 5 is an rational number and taking p by q in the form, and you have to prove that is irrational number. Okay, I'm not going to prove here because already you know how to prove. Okay, yes, see the question number 19, or simply look at here how to solve. To prove 2 plus root 5 is an irrational number, just consider it as rational number. Rational numbers means you will get here two integers p and q. Like that, if 2 plus root 5 is irrational number, we write it in the form of p by q. Okay, see, now make it equal to root 5 by interchanging the values. Okay, see, p by q, transpose this 2 to the right side, it will become minus 2. See, if p by q minus 2 is a rational number, yes, then root 5 is also a rational number. Yes, this contradicts the fact that this contradicts the fact that, so what is the fact? The fact is contradicts the fact that root 5 is an irrational number. Yes, irrational number. Therefore, our assumption is 2 plus root 5, 2 plus root 5 rational number is wrong. Therefore, we conclude that yes, 2 plus root 5 is irrational number. Yes, like that you have to prove in simple way. Okay. Yes. Look at here in question number 19. Okay. So this is from linear equation. See, solve the given pair of linear equations by elimination method. Elimination means you have to eliminate either x or y. See, by knowing the equation 1 and equation 2, just we think that here it is plus y, here it is minus y. Okay, by adding 1 and 2 we get, so what we get by adding means plus y minus y can cancel each other, and now here 2x plus 3x becomes 5x. Here 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. Yes, 8 plus 7 equal to 15. If 5x is equal to 15, then x is equal to, how much will you get here? 15 by 3, 5, 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja. It means x equal to 3. Yes. Yes, now what you are getting here? X equal to 3. Okay. Now substitute. Okay. Substitute x equal to 3 in equation 1. Okay. We get here. See, what is the equation 1? 2x plus y is equal to 8. By putting x value in the equation, it means 2 times 3 plus y is equals to 8. So 2 3 is 6 plus y is equals to 8. Therefore y is equal to 8. Transpose 6 to the right side and it becomes minus 6. So 8 minus 6 equal to 2. Now y is equals to 2. Okay, these are the solutions. It means, so the x value is 3, y is equal to 2. To verify our answer is right or wrong, just put the values in any one equation and find out is it equal or not. See, x is 3, y is 2. Just put the values in the equation 1. See, 2 times x value is 3 plus y is equal to how much? 2. See, no, 2 3 are 6. Now plus 2 equal to 8. See, now LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, 8 equal to 8. It means the values we got here right answers. Okay, if you know the concept, you are able to answer easily whatever the questions asked in the examination. Okay. Let's see, our question is there. On comparing the ratios a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2, find whether the lines representing the pair of linear equations 9x plus 3y plus 12 equal to 0 and 18x plus 6y plus 24 equal to 0 intersect at a point or parallel or coincident. So by knowing the condition of the ratios, just we have to say the lines are intersecting lines or parallel lines or coincident lines. See what is here, a1 upon a2. a1 equal to 9, a2 is 19. It means 9 upon 18. And b1 upon b2. Look at here, b1 is 3, b2 is 6. 3 upon 6. And c1 upon c2. c1 is 12, c2 is 24. Means 12 divided by 24. Just simplify the given fractions. See, 9 ones are 9 twos. It means a1 upon a2 is equal to 1 upon 2. 3 ones are 3 twos are 12 ones are 12 twos are means 1 upon 2 equal to 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. It means a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. So the condition is valid for the coincident lines. Yes, when all the ratios are equal, the lines are coincident lines. Yes, so which one is here? The lines are coincident lines. You have to say by solving the ratios. Okay. Yes. Now I am going to solve the next question. Question number 20. Yes. To solve the questions, whatever they asked in the examination, just you know the concept of the topic or chapter. See, question number 20. Find whether 77 is a term of the arithmetic progression 1, 5, 9, 13 using the formula. See, find whether 77 is a term of the arithmetic progression. It means 77 is term of the question, arithmetic progression AP, that is an is equal to 77. Is it any term of the this AP? See, now from the given AP, A is equal to 1. First, from the question, write the given, whatever the given values. Okay, A1 is equal to 1 or A is equal to 1. And what is the difference here? D is equal to A2 minus A1. That is 5 minus 1 equal to how much here? 4. It means D is equals to 4. A1 is 1, D is equal to 4, and An is already given, that is 77. Just find out the n value. If n value is positive integer, okay, then it is a term of the AP. If you are getting here n fractional value or decimal, it means that is not the term of the AP. Okay, let's now just solve by using A and D values and An formula and the term of the formula. So An equal to, what is the formula here? A plus n minus 1 into D is the formula. Okay, what is An given value is, that is 77 is equal to A is 1 plus n minus 1 into, what is the D value here? D value is 4. Okay, to find out the value of the n, directly you have to put the formula. N is equal to what? An minus A divided by D plus 1. To find out the n values, just you have to use this formula. Okay, what is the an value here? An is 77 minus A is 1 divided by D value is 4. Yes or no? D is 4, A is 1, An is 77, and last is plus 1. Equal to here, 77 minus 1 is equals to 76 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4 1s are 4, 3 remains, 4 9s are 36, and plus 1. So 19 plus 1 is equal to 20. It means n is equal to 20. You are getting a positive integer. It means an is n equal to 77 is the 20th term of the AP. Okay, it means 77 is a term of the given AP. Okay, whatever the given question, first you have to observe the questions, then think how to get the answer, whatever the needed values to get the answer. See, now this is question is from similar triangles and very easy. Just given diagram is little bit complicated. Okay, see how to solve easily. In the given figure, DE parallel to OQ means DE parallel to OQ, DF parallel to OR means DF parallel to OR. Show that EF parallel to QR means EF parallel to QR. So look at here. To prove EF parallel to QR, so EF parallel to QR means EF is from the triangle side, EF is the side from the triangle, that is intercepted triangle PFE, and the side QR is from the original triangle PQR triangle. Okay, one is intercepted triangle, that is PEF, and original triangle is PQR. To prove this, first you have to solve from the given data. Okay, yes, look at here. DE is given parallel to OQ, means consider this triangle POQ triangle. Okay, if ED is parallel to OQ, it means this side and this side are in ratio according to Thales theorem. Okay, that is PE upon EQ is equals to PD upon DO. Okay, this ratio this one and this ratio this one. Okay, so look at here, PE upon EQ and PD upon DO. So by what? Thales theorem. Okay, yes. And second condition given that DF is parallel to OR. And now consider here POR triangle. See what we'll get here? POR triangle. Okay. See, given ratio is what? See now, PF upon FR means PF divided by FR is equal to what? Here now, PD upon DO. So PD upon DO. Again by Thales theorem, consider this is 1 and this will be 2. Okay. From 1 and 2, what we will get here? From 1 and 2. Okay. See here, PD upon DO, here also PD upon DO. It means from 1 and 2, we conclude that PE upon EQ is equals to PF upon FR. So what is that? From 1 and 2, we conclude that, okay, what is here? PE upon EQ equals to, second one is PF upon FR. Yes, from 1 and 2, we conclude that PE upon EQ equal to PF upon FR. It means this EF side is parallel to QR according to the converse of the Thales theorem. Okay. What about Thales theorem? Thales theorem says that if a line is parallel to the other side of the triangle, then the intercepted sides of intercepted triangle and original triangle are in the ratio. That is the given question 1 here. Okay, this is Thales theorem. And converse of Thales theorem that if the sides of true triangles are in proportion, then the third side is parallel to the side of the another triangle. Okay, now PE upon EQ equal to PF upon FR means, look at here once. Okay, so PE upon EQ equal to PF upon FR, we are getting the result here. It means the two sides are in proportion, then the third side is parallel to side of the another triangle. Okay, therefore we conclude that EF is parallel to QR according to converse theorem of Thales theorem, converse theorem of Thales theorem. Okay, or converse of Thales theorem. In simple way, you have to write here. Okay, converse of Thales theorem. Okay, in short, I am writing here theorem THM. Yes, just by making ratios equal, you have to prove the sides are parallel by using the converse of Thales theorem. Okay. Yes. Now look at here. Question number 22. This is also from the similar triangle. In triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC. Here now DE parallel to BC is given. AD equal to x. So this is given AD equal to x. DB equal to x minus 4. So DB equal to means from here to here. DB equal to given x minus 4. And next AE equal to x plus 4. AE equal to x plus 4 from here to here given. And BC equal to x minus 2. So BC equal to means EC equal to x minus 2. This is given x minus 2. Then find the value of x. Means what you have to find here? The length of the AD, that is x value. Okay. See, just by cross multiplying you will get your answer. Just multiply x into x minus 2 and x minus 4 into x plus 4. You know, x into x minus 2 equal to x plus 4 into x minus 4. Sorry. See, now look at here. X into x, that is x square, minus x into 2, that is 2x, equals to here x plus 4 x minus 4. So this is the formula of a square minus b square. Just apply here x square minus 4 square. Now solve the equation both sides. See, now x square and x square get cancel each other, and here now minus 2x equal to minus 4 square is 16. Now cancel minus both sides each other, and now 2x equal to 16 means x is equals to 16 by 2 is equal to how much it is? 8. 1 is 2, 8 is. It means the value of x is equal to 8. Okay, this is the answer. Instead of taking the ratios, that is AD upon DB, Thales theorem ratio equals to AE upon EC. Instead of taking the ratio, finally you will get like this. Therefore, just you have to start from the by cross multiplying the given values. Okay, you will get answer directly. So 8 is the value of the x here. Okay, x equal to 8. See now the question number 23. See, this is applied question from the chapter. See, look at here. A teacher has 96 pens and 128 pencils. Find the maximum number of students to whom pens and pencils can be equally distributed so that no pens and pencils are left out. See, this question is from which chapter? First you have to consider it. Then try to solve the question. Okay. See, look at here. Are you able to form two equations from the given data? See, 96 pens given and 128 pencils given. Find the maximum number of students to whom pens and pencils can be equally distributed so that no pens and pencils are left out. You have only two values and you are unable to form two equations. Two equations, you have to need two informations, but there is only one information, that 96 pens and 128 pens distributing equally among the students. Okay, in question if you are getting here distributed, words like distribute, okay, and sharing, so this type of words question is from first chapter real number. And real number, there is a concept, that is main concept is HCF and LCM concept. Okay, yes. After finding the question from which chapter, try to solve the problem. See what is given data here, and another word is given here. Find the maximum number of students. And the maximum number of students means you are going to share equally among the student. Maximum number. If you are getting the maximum number, then it means you have to find out the HCF of the given numbers. What is the HCF? It is highest common factor. Highest means what? Nothing but maximum or larger. It means the maximum word is related to HCF concept. Okay. Yes. Now find the LCM HCF of the 96 and 128. Yes. From which number you will divide both of them? From 16. Okay. 16 6 are 96. 16 8 are 128. And now here 2 3 are 6. 2 4 are 8. Means 16 into 2, that is 32. Is the HCF of these two numbers. So 32 is the HCF of 96 and 28. It means, what is the question here? Find the maximum number of students. The maximum number of students to share equally 96 pens and 128 pencils is, number of students is 32. There are 32 number of students are there to share pens and pencils equally. Okay. To solve the questions, this type of words problem, first you have to think question is from which chapter. Then find out the keywords and then try to solve the problem. Okay. Yes. See now, question number 24. Two students A and B together have 25 marbles. Each of them lost 5 marbles. The product of the marbles they have now is 50. Form a quadratic equation in the standard form to find the number of marbles. So in the question already they are saying about quadratic equation. They have mentioned the quadratic equation. It means you will get here one variable, or if you are getting two variables, convert it into one variable. Okay. Then try to find out the number of marbles. See, first write the given data. Two students A and B together have 25 marbles. Means A plus B is equal to have 25 marbles. Together means you have to add A plus B equal to 25 marbles. Each of them lost 5 marbles. Lost means you have to make minus 5 from each. A minus 5, B minus 5. So what is the given next question here? Information. The product of the marbles they have now is 50. Product means you have to multiply A minus 5 into B minus 5 is equal to how much it is now? After multiplying, that is 50. So form a quadratic polynomial. Now see, one variable is A and another variable is B here. Convert anyone into one variable or express A in terms of B. It means A is equal to how much? How we will write here? A is equal to, from the equation 1, A equal to 25 minus B. Okay. Now put the value of A in equation 2. Okay. Yes. Now write here in A value, that is 25 minus B minus 5 into bracket. So this is term B minus 5 is equal to how much it is given? 50. See, 25 into B, how much it is? 25B, and 25 into 5 means minus 125. Now minus B into B, minus B square, and minus B into minus 5 plus 5B, and now here minus 5 into B minus 5B minus 5 into minus 5 plus 25, and transpose this 50 to left side, it will become minus 50 equals to 0. Yes, see now 5b minus 5b get cancel each other. Okay, yes, 5b minus b get cancel each other. And now look at here, minus 50 25 becomes minus 25, and here also minus 125, minus 125, this minus 25 becomes minus 150. Now right here, first square term, that is minus b square, and second term is b term plus 25b, and the remaining is minus 125 minus 25 becomes minus 150 equals to 0. Okay, to make it the first square term, that is positive, change the signs of the equation. It is b square minus 25b plus 150 equals to 0. So this is now the required quadratic equation. Now find the value of b. Okay, yes, see, by multiplying 15 and 10 we will get here 150, and by adding 15 and 10 we will get here minus 25. Okay, now here it is plus, you have to add these two numbers and you will get here the middle term, that is 25. To get minus 25, just you have to take here both numbers minus sign, then only it will become minus 25. Okay, yes, split the middle term and we will get here, or write answer directly. See, here both numbers are negative numbers, minus 15 and minus 10. Okay, just making it one value x equal to 15 and another value x equals to 10. Directly you have to write the solutions of the quadratic equation like this. Okay, when you will get here two numbers, just by changing the sign you have to write the solutions directly. One value is minus 15, that is x equal to 15, and second value minus 10, that is x equal to 10. Just you have to change the sign of these numbers. If you are getting here 15, then you will take here minus 15. If you are here, if you have 10 here, then you will get here minus 10. But now we have here both numbers negative, that's why here both numbers I am taking here positive. Okay, in short form I am telling you how to take the solutions of the quadratic equation. See, it means that is one value is b and another value is b equal to 10, one value is b equal to 15. Okay, see what is the given condition first. A plus b is equals to 25, that is the first equation. A and b together have 25 marbles. When b is equals to 15, then automatically a equals to, when b equal to 10, a equal to 15, or when b is equals to 15, a is equals to 10. Then only 15 plus 10 equal to 25. Here also 15 plus 10 equal to 25. If b equal to 15, a equal to 10. If b equal to 10, a equal to 15. Okay. Yes. That's okay. Up to here, I have solved 2 marks questions. Okay. In the next class, I am going to solve 3 marks questions, and there are 9 questions. Okay. Totally 27 marks section. Yes, students, I hope the solutions whatever I have solved here you have understood, and share the video to your friends if anybody studying in 10th class, and subscribe the channel and share it to your friends and like the video. Thank you one and all.